In this video, we will discuss about meaning of debentures, type of debentures, difference between share and debentures, and accounting treatment at the time of issue of debentures. So let us understand what is the meaning of debentures. Debenture is a certificate issued by the company under its common seal as acknowledgement of debts. This certificate contains the terms of repayment of loan. The terms of repayment of loan. Generally, company mortgage some assets against debentures. That means debentures are secured loan. So let us understand the definition of debentures according to Company Act. What is the definition? According to Section 2 of the Company Act 2013, debenture includes debenture stock, bonds, or any other security of the company, whether it constitute the charge on assets of the company or not. What are the features of debentures? Debenture is a loan for the company and it is a secured loan because company keeps some assets on mortgage against debentures. Debentures can be issued by the company for maximum 10 years. But if the company is involved in infrastructure business, then company can issue debentures for more than 10 years. But the maximum for 30 years. Now, type of debentures. Type of debentures. First, convertible or non-convertible debentures. Convertible or non-convertible debentures. Convertible debentures means those debentures which can be converted into debentures after some time. These are called convertible debentures. If debentures cannot be converted into shares, if debentures cannot be converted into shares, then this is called non-convertible debentures. Secured or unsecured debentures. If the debentures are secured by the assets of the company, then these debentures are called secured. And if no any asset is mortgaged against the debentures, these are known as unsecured debentures. In India, only secured debentures are issued. Next, third, redeemable or non-redeemable. Debentures. Redeemable debenture means the debentures which are to be redeemed within the lifetime of the company. Or non-redeemable debenture means the debentures which are to be redeemed after winding up of company. In India, only redeemable debentures are issued. Fourth, convertible, secured, redeemable, and the fourth one is registered or bearer debentures. Registered debenture means if the name of the holders of the debenture is registered with the company, it is written in the register of the company. These debentures are known as registered debentures. And if the name of the holder of the debenture is not written in the register, these debentures are known as bearer debentures. A coupon is issued with bearer debentures. Who will show the coupon, he will get the interest and he will get the sum on the due date. So these are very unsecured. So there are 8 types of debentures. Next point is, what is the difference between share and debentures? When we discuss the difference between share and debentures, we talk here about equity share. So what is the difference between share and debentures? First of all, rate of interest. To the debenture holder, interest will be given at fixed rate, but to the shareholder, dividend is given and the rate of dividend is not fixed. Second point, debentures can be converted into shares, but the shares can't be converted into debentures. Debenture is a part of borrowed fund. It is a loan, but the share is a part of owner's fund. It is a capital for the company. Debentures are always secured, but the shares are always unsecured. Debentures are always redeemable. The amount of debentures will be returned back to the debenture holder within the lifetime of the company. But shares are irredeemable, non-redeemable. Debentures are the creditors of the company, but the shareholders are the real owner of the company. A face value of the share is generally at 10 rupees. The face value of debenture is generally 100 rupees. So these are the differences between share and debentures. Now, what is the procedure of issuing debentures? The procedure of issuing debenture is just like the procedure of issuing shares. The same accounting treatment we will learn here. First point, debentures can be issued in 3 ways. To the public for cash, for consideration other than cash, and third one is issue of debenture to the bank as a collateral security. When we issue debentures to the public, the debentures may be issued at par, at premium, or at discount. At par, at premium, or at discount. The entries will be same as it was in shares. Let us understand the journal entries. Bank account debit to debenture application. When we receive application money, first entry will be passed bank account debit to debenture application account. Percentage will be written in front of debentures. This shows the rate of interest. Second entry, debenture application account debit to percentage debentures. If some applications are rejected, their application money will be returned. Debenture application account debit to bank account. Now, entry at the time of allotment of debentures. Debenture allotment account debit. Debenture allotment account debit 2% debentures. While receiving allotment money, bank account debit to debenture allotment account. At the time of first call, debenture first call account debit 2% debenture. On the time of receiving first call, bank account debit to debenture first call. Same entries will be passed at the time of second and final call. So these are the journal entries at the time of issue of debentures. Thank you. Have a nice day.